welcome back to my channel, and for the newcomers, welcome also. And let me introduce myself. My name is Flor, and what you will gonna find here on my channel is all about lifestyle videos, product review videos, and more on tutorial videos. So if you are interested on those contents, make sure to subscribe down below and hit the notification bell like that you will get notified on my future uploads. So today's video, I'm so excited to share with you guys my tips on how to get lots of products from Yesstyle. This month, I will be receiving 16 items from Yesstyle, and all of that are free. I will share with you guys my tips on how I do it. But before we start, guys, I will give you a quick overview about Yesstyle company. The Yesstyle company is a Hong Kong-based retailer company and the largest company in Asia. It is the sister's company of YesAsia.com. So Yesstyle have a lot of selection products from beauty, fashion, lifestyle, accessories, exclusive for women and men. So before we enjoy the free products from Yesstyle, you have to become a Yesstyle influencer first. So I already did a tutorial video with that. I will attach the video link on the description box, like that you will be guided on the signing up process. Once you are accepted on the program, you will gonna have your own unique code, and that you will gonna use to share with your friends or family for them to enjoy the discounts when they purchased on Yesstyle. And with that, you can earn a commission or Yesstyle points, and you can use that to cash out through PayPal. And the YS points, you can use it to pay when you want to buy products from Yesstyle. My second tip, guys, make sure to follow their social accounts on Instagram and Facebook page. With that, you can be updated on the campaigns that they will post on their social accounts, and you can able to apply. And once you are accepted on the campaigns, you are able to receive the free products, even the shipping fee. And once you receive the products, you need to comply the requirements. You need to make a product review video or a post on your social accounts, and make sure to include Yesstyle name on your title or on the description box, and make sure to share your rewards code on the description, like that you will get a commission when someone buys and use your code during their purchase. On my third tip, guys, invite your friends and relatives to join the influencer program. Once your friend or relatives accepted as an influencer, every time they purchase a product from Yesstyle, you will receive a 5% commission during their purchase, and that is for a lifetime. That commission, you will gonna use it to cash out when you reach a minimum of $200. You can cash it out through PayPal and earn YS points or Yesstyle points, where you can use to pay when you buy products from Yesstyle. My fourth tip is, once you are accepted on the campaign, claim daily free gifts from Yesstyle and the sponsored product. That is for free, and you're gonna enjoy that. And during the checkout, use the coupons, use the reward codes of any of your friends, like that you will get more discounts, and you can add to your cart whatever you want to purchase on Yesstyle, and you don't have to pay anything. My last tip, guys, when you do the review or the campaign, make sure to share the product links on the description box and share your code, like that if someone in your video and you're gonna like your review, it's possible that you will get a lot of sales, and that will lead you to get a lot of commissions, and you can cash it out on your PayPal account. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you learned something today, and everything you want to know, I will put all the links on the description box in order for you to learn more about Yesstyle. You can also visit their website at www.yesstyle.com, and if you wish to purchase their products, feel free to use my rewards code FLOR0193. So that's it for today's video, and I hope that you learned something today about the Yesstyle Influencer Program. And make sure to click the subscribe below and hit the notification bell like that you will get notified on my future uploads. So thank you for watching. Bye!